Instagram, Facebook. You know me, Martin Morris, 1986, graduated from Vermont Day High School, 2001, University of San Francisco, MBA, 2008, almost lost it all because I bought a couple of duplexes. I went too small, bought two duplexes in Paradise Valley, spent about $120,000 each, ended up losing them to foreclosure because the tenants didn't pay. What I learned is you got to go big. When it comes to real estate, area is number one. You either have the good area, or at least have the people have some renters who will pay the minimum. So I don't want to talk about that. That's not my expertise. But right now, I'm getting closer to saving 40% of my income, according to Grant Cardone. Today, put another $1,000 in Cardone Capital because I'm an unaccredited investor. I'm limited to certain funds. Eventually, I'm going to build up a nest egg and see what I can do to get myself in some of the bigger funds. Paid off my car note. That was $919.01. Just went on and paid that off. So now we're going to focus on getting rid of the student loan. We're going to pay $1,000 a month. And then all of this is because I went with Grant Cardone, Robert Kiyosaki, Kevin Hogan, who knows, Sharon Lecter, probably a whole kind of people in between. But what it just shows you is you got to just keep pushing. Only way I was able to survive losing my apartment duplexes to foreclosure, owed $94,417 for student loan, owed another probably $10,000 in back taxes for property taxes, owed another $8,000 for a line of credit for Bank of America. Only way I was able to get through this was selling. You don't need to know how to sell, but that's why I developed the objective. My personal program, like Grant Cardone has the objective, his the closure guy talks about the objection journal. I took that from what I listened to his Mastering Objection. So I've been working at a casino for the past 6 months, so I've accumulated like over 500 to 800 objections. Some of them are the same, some of them are different. But I went out there and I had to get a zero to not make a sale at work. I got to go drive 34 minutes to work, go through security, and work for another 6 hours, standing around, cleaning stuff, waiting for tenants people to come in, and then making a sale. I'm giving you my objections of the person coming in who, hey, Martin, I don't really have the money. I'm having a bad day. Or, hey, Martin, I'm just coming in because I just want to escape the loud noise. Or, hey, Martin, I'm going to take some pictures and send them to my spouse. Or, hey, Martin, I think your product's too high. Martin, I'm going to do a computer check on your store in front of you to prove to you that your price is too high. I went through all that, and I wrote those objections. How do I deal with this person? How do I deal with the black guy who comes in with the girlfriend? I saw him in another store. Second time I saw him. I'll talk about the black people, the Asian people, Mexican people. That's what you are, man. Are you Ukrainian? Don't want to be political, but you are what you are. So then you just have to, this person came in, said the product is expensive. This person came in, said they want $85,000, almost broke even from when they were working in they gamble, but didn't want to buy any products right now. It goes on. Hey, Martin, call my host. One thing I've learned from Grant Cardone, third party. Sometimes they don't want to call the host themselves, but they want you to call. So you're kind of like a third-party verifier. Like, hey, I know this person can talk to you, but hey, man, Mrs. Martin, I'm working in the store. We're working the same casino together. I'm dating someone or I'm in an affair with someone. I go, baby, careful. Whew. Yeah, I really get in trouble then. But hey, can you spot this guy $82? He's with his girlfriend. He wants to show off. He wants to buy something for her. He wants to buy a $220 item. Can you spare him some money? And if not, hey, if he doesn't come back and do what you need him to do, blame it on me, and I won't ask you again. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So that's part of the business I started. I started building up too-old-to-be-broke.com because you're never too old to be broke. I'm selling this T-shirt here, $29.99, which says cash flow is my discount. too-old-to-be-broke.com. Cash flow is my discount. too-old-to-be-broke.com. Never too old to be broke. Never too old to be broke. Do you want to shop at a regular supermarket or do you want to shop at Aldi's? Superior Market over there on Avalon, Alpha El Segundo. You might as well go to Orange County, because they'll take you about as long to get out of line, get in and get out as you would if you drove all the way to the rich people area. Spent money on gas. You want to go to quality places, Albertsons, Vons. Don't even those. I'm thinking I need to upgrade. I'm on my way there. But too old to be the broke home. I started that company, really started pushing it after I paid off my credit cards. Almost got my car loan below $2,000. Student loan was going. I got the student loan below $25,000 or $24,000. I realized you're never too old to be broke. You need to have money, man. You just can't keep doing. That was like probably during the height of the COVID stuff. You just can't keep nickel and diming. Like Grant Cardone says, you just got to go big, man. You got to put it in. Either you put it in or keep it in. Either you pull it out and invest it or keep it in. You only have one or two. You cannot straddle the line. Can't do that anymore, because now everybody wants a house. Everybody wants a luxury car. No problem with that. But you ain't got no money, man. Ain't got no fucking money. I hate Albertson. Stater Brothers. Oh. If you want to learn, if you want to like start a podcast on places to eat, give me a call, man. I even had to almost give up Panda Express, man. The service was so bad. Back to what I was talking about. Point of the business is I started these programs, or I have like for the objection journals. I'm selling each couple of months, $149. Get that. Learn some of these objections, make some money. I have like my Grand Class of Survival book, $80. In addition to this, I work with you for 10 to 15 closes to help you make more money. So I help you to help you make more money, so you can join my program, so I can help you. So those programs go from $145, $245 to $445. But hey, why don't you just let me help pay off your car loan? My car loan's paid off, man. I think I got this car back in 2014. Now I got it back in 2016 or something, so it's paid off in under 60 months. You ain't got to hold for 60 months, man. Just think now, you got your car paid off, now you got extra money. Car, it's great to have the car note, but you can't have a car note when gas is $5.09, $5.15, $5.25. God knows what they're going to do me for when I go get my groceries. But I do compliment Vons. They had that cool cheesecake. I like that cheesecake. It's just a little bit few more calories than the one at the Cheesecake Factory. I think I'm not eating that much. It doesn't have the chocolate and all that. So I like that. So that's one program I had. So I sell the book, and then I do 10 to 15 closes out of the book. That's $135. If you want me to do 20 closes with you, that's plus the book, that's $315. And then if you want me to stick with you for 30 days, that's $715. So you decide which works for you. I have a student loan. Now the student loan is paid off. That's $395, $499. $395, $495, $595. So we reduced it from over $94,117 or $417 to now it's like it'll be $17 at the end of the day. Wouldn't you like to get some of that? You need to get these loans paid off, because you ain't get no place. Starting another program. It's going to be how to grow your YouTube channel without paying too much for advertising. And I'll show you how I'm growing my views, growing my looks, because right now people are just spending way too much on advertising. You just can't beat them. I can't beat a Grant Cardone. I can't beat a Albertsons. I can't beat Manscaped. They're just saturating YouTube and Google ads. So you're in a bad spot. So you're almost forced to build your own brand. Plus, that's probably better anyway, because at least you'll have control of it. And then when you're able to start putting more and more money in it, you can direct it. So we'll talk about that. I told you, how do you grow your viewership? First, you make a video. Here's your free tip: how to grow your YouTube viewership. How to grow your YouTube viewership. Do one video. Then from that one video, we're going to look at views. I only really care about is views and views duration. So take a look at that and buy your objection journal. $149. If not, let me help you pay off your car loan. None of my car is paid off. $145, $245, $345. Let me know. Are you ready to make more money? Are you ready? Are you ready?